The key allows users to be set up with varying permissions that control access to both the application and to the underlying client bank. All users are managed through the Setup and Users menu, available from the left-hand side. First of all, a list of all users is displayed, where users can be added or deleted, or an existing user can be selected, and using the Open button, their record can be edited. The Main Details tab lists their current information, their name and contact details, as well as allowing you to reset their password if required. You can also assign the user to a branch or team, or assign them a custom user role or a predefined user role as may be required. The Roles tab itself allows you to determine whether the user is an advisor or an administrator. If an advisor, the area you can see on screen will be enabled, allowing you to record default information about commissions and compliance, as well as associated administrators and compliance officers. The Restrictions tab controls access to the key application. A series of checkboxes allow you to control this access. Simply add or remove a tick as necessary, and these options will allow users to access or not to access certain areas of the system and control whether they are, for example, a compliance officer or have delete capabilities. The Permissions tab controls access to the client bank. By default, all users can access all clients, but by placing a check in the appropriate tick box, you can restrict a user to viewing only their own work, or you can restrict them to viewing only the branch or team that was established within the Main Details section. If the combination requires a particular other user to have access, select them from the list available on screen. The Training and Competence tab allows you to record T&C information for the user. You can build up a record over time, and in this case we have one entry, so we can select the entry and click on the Open button in order to view. The record will show details of the event type, the date and any notes. The event types are available from a drop-down of varying options, including a free text option. The Logins tab allows you to record the login information for the user for supported third-party integrations, such as Mortgage Sourcing, Solution Builder and MTE. New integrations can be added here, or you can select an entry and then click on the Open button in order to edit the details. This will have the account name, including options from a drop-down, the user ID and password, meaning that launching a third-party integration from the key is a seamless event. The Documents tab allows you to record documents for this particular user, as opposed to a client. In this case, the user document is added using the Add Existing File button, which is towards the bottom right of the screen. You can also delete documents or edit documents if you have the appropriate permissions. This will build up over time and could be used for things such as reviews or certification. Click OK to save the changes, or cancel to come out without saving.